A Dutch couple went birdwatching at a landfill near the southern tip of Argentina in late March. Days later, they boarded the MV Hondius, a luxury cruise ship bound for Antarctica. Within 2 weeks, both were dead. Now 3 more passengers are gone, several others are sick, and nearly 150 people have been stranded at sea for over a month with a virus most infectious disease experts thought couldn't spread this way. The virus is Hantavirus, specifically, the Andes strain. You catch it by breathing in particles from infected rodent droppings, usually in barns or poorly ventilated spaces where mice nest. It doesn't spread between people. Except this one does. The Andes strain is the only hantavirus on Earth capable of human-to-human transmission, and even then, it's rare, only 2 to 5% of cases. But on a cruise ship, where passengers share dining rooms, elevators, and close quarters for weeks, rare became reality. Argentine investigators now believe the Dutch couple picked up the virus during that birdwatching excursion, likely at a landfill in Ushuaia where rodents carrying the virus are common. They boarded the ship on April 1st. By April 6th, the husband fell ill. By April 11th, he was dead. His wife followed. Then others started showing symptoms: fever, muscle pain, difficulty breathing. The ship turned away from Antarctica and began a desperate journey across the Atlantic, but no country would let them dock. For nearly 3 weeks, the MV Hondius sat in international waters while passengers waited in terror, not knowing who among them was infected. 30 passengers got off the ship on April 24th at the remote island of St. Helena, including 2 Canadians. They flew home, unaware they might be carrying the virus. Now 3 Canadians are isolating in Ontario and Quebec, the 2 who were on the ship, and a third who shared a flight with them and never set foot on the vessel. 4 more Canadians remain aboard. Health authorities in at least 5 U.S. states are monitoring passengers who disembarked. 2 of them are Texas residents. The World Health Organization has confirmed 7 cases total, but the real number could be higher. The virus has an incubation period of up to 8 weeks, meaning people who feel fine today could collapse next month. The ship is finally heading to Tenerife in Spain's Canary Islands, expected to dock this Sunday. Spanish authorities are preparing isolation facilities. The WHO insists this isn't another pandemic, hantavirus doesn't spread easily, and the risk to the general public is low. But for the passengers still aboard, and for the people who shared planes and airports with those who left, the waiting isn't over. A single birdwatching trip to the wrong landfill sent a virus onto a ship full of people who had no idea what they were breathing. Some of them are already dead. The rest are still counting days, wondering if they're next.